Hello everyone. Now let's see how to generate the opening entries in accounting and define the opening balances using CDR. The opening entry refers to the primary entries at the business at the beginning of each fiscal year. It will present us the current financial or accounting status. For this we'll have to go to the accounting. This is the view of the accounting dashboard here. For generating the opening entries, initially we'll have to define an opening journal. For defining the opening and closing journal, we'll have to go under configuration. Under journals, we can view the existing journals here. Here we can create a new journal for opening and closing entries. We'll have to mention the journal's name, and under the type, we'll have to choose the opening or closing situation. And we'll have to check in the centralized counterpart here. Under journal entries, we'll have to mention the short code of this journal, and the next number. We'll have to mention the default credit and debit accounts here. After mentioning the details, we can click on the save option. For generating the opening entries, we'll have to go under accounting and we'll have generate opening entries. Here we can mention the fiscal year that we are going to close and the opening entries journal and the new fiscal year. We could also view it here. Here we can see the fiscal year details, its code, the start date and end date of this fiscal year and the opening periods here. Then we can define the opening entries period for the new fiscal year. And then we'll have to click on this create. A journal entry would be created. For viewing this, we'll go under accounting and we have journal entries. Here we can see that a journal entry is created. Now we can define our opening balance here. I'm clicking on this edit option. Now under journal items, we can add the account details. I'm adding bank. And under debit, I'm going to mention the amount that is going to be debited. And for balancing this entry, we'll have to mention a journal, undistributed profit and loss here. And then we'll have to save this entry and then post this. Now we can see that the journal entry has been posted and we have defined the opening balance. That's how we generate the opening entries and define our opening balance here. Thank you.